Hello everyone, this is Suresh from Azure ADB. Today our topic is how to view and edit notebooks side by side using open in split view. So normally this function we can use to view and edit notebooks side by side by clicking the icon, column split icon. So this icon I will show you in notebook where it comes. So we have to click on this icon to add split view of the current notebook. So what it does is, this is our current notebook. It will split vertically. So same notebook, it will give you replication here. So this is one method. And second method is you can drag a notebook tab and drop it to the right side of the notebook. So you can just simply drag and drop here. That is second option. And third option I will show you. You have to right click on the cell and you have to select this particular option. So you have to select this particular option. So that I will show you in demo. And what is the main purpose of doing this? Main purpose of using this option. So compare the code and results, or copying code from one notebook to other notebook. And then what is the limitations of this particular function? The split view for notebooks. So it will support only vertical side by side layout, and it will not support horizontally. That means one is top and one is bottom. So this it won't support here. So you can only drag a second notebook to the left or right side of the screen for vertical splitting. Suppose you have two notebooks. So in this second notebook, you can drag and drop. And this is the summary. So if you want to vertical split side by side, yes, it will support this function between notebooks or cells. And it won't support horizontal split. And editing notebooks side by side, it will support. So for this, you need to drag and drop the notebook. And if horizontal split. So if you want to do horizontal split, you have to open two browser windows in Databricks by open one notebook in each and stack the browser windows vertically, manual layout. So that means this is one notebook and you can do duplicate. If you do duplicate, so one more Databricks window will come. So by like this, you can cross verify. Since it is not providing horizontal split, so this is alternate approach. So now we'll see demo how to use this particular function. If you see here, see our notebook is starting here like this, and we don't have any options here. So first step, what we need to do is, so tabs off is there, by default off is there. So I'm trying to turn on this one. So what it does, see here, it changing here. So the visualization is changed. So our notebook name is coming here, and here we are getting plus symbol. So that means we can add some more notebooks here, either new query, new file, new notebook, or you can open existing notebook. So here, as we discussed first option, we can use this command, add split view. So if you see here in this first option is column split icon. So that is this one. So if I click on this, see currently I have one notebook. So if I click on this, so it will open one more notebook here. So see here. So here one more notebook is opened. See, same notebook it replicated here by using vertical splitting. See here, you can do comparison, notebook to notebook comparison you can do, and you can copy paste here, or you can edit this notebook. Okay, so this is our first option by using this icon. So next, what I'm doing is I'm adding one more notebook here by using open existing, and I'm trying to open one other notebook. Suppose this notebook I'm trying to open here. So after opening this notebook, so now we have two notebooks. So this particular notebook I will do by using second method, that is drag and drop here. If I do drag and drop here, it will split vertically. So for this, so you need to click on this and try to drag and drop. See here, by default, if you come here, it won't highlight this space. If you come little bit below this, see here. So this, our monitor is highlighting. Just drop here. So it will split the window. See here, now this notebook is splitted. See, vertically it's splitted. So earlier we have here, now it's splitted here. So this is second method, drag and drop. So as we discussed here, this drag and drop, it allowed only vertically. So that means you can drag and drop here, either right or left. Okay, so and if you try to keep horizontal, see it not supporting. So it will support only vertical splitting. So you have to move right side. And see, now I have only one notebook. See, it won't support. See here, it not highlighting. So here you should have two notebooks. Here you should have two notebooks, and the second notebook you can drag and drop. So that is this one. If you see here in limitations, so you can only drag a second notebook to the left or right side of the screen for vertical splitting. So if you add one more notebook here, and if you drag that notebook here this side, so it will split like this. So this is second method. So next, what I will do is, third method is by using cell. Suppose I will open one more notebook here. I will open this particular notebook. I will use cell. So if I do right click on cell, we'll get same option there. So there also you can do splitting the notebook vertically. Suppose if I go here, if I go to this second cell, any cell you can select. So just right click here, right click on this cell, and you can find yeah. So our third option is you have to right click on this notebook, and you will get this many options. So in this same option, you will find here, open in split view. If you click on this, so this notebook will split vertically. See here, so this notebook, same notebook we are getting here, and it is vertically splitted. So this how you can split our notebook vertically, and you can do our code changes, editing, copy paste, and comparison. So totally three options we discussed how to split these notebooks. So that's all about this video. If you really like this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you.